Hey guys, Andre here of Yuga Tech. Infinix has recently announced their Infinix ZERO Ultra, which will launch in the Philippines soon. We got our hands on one, so we can check out what it has to offer. One of the first things you'll notice about the Infinix ZERO Ultra is its tall frame, which can be attributed to the large screen. We have a 6.8-inch curved AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution equal to 387 ppi. It has a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a hole punch at the top for the 32-megapixel selfie camera. On the right, we have the power, lock button, and volume buttons that are firm and tactile. Despite the tall frame, they're easy to reach as they're placed near the center of the frame. Up top, we have a loudspeaker and a microphone. Down at the bottom are the SIM card slot, main microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. At the back, we have the protruding camera module for the 200-megapixel main camera, 30-megapixel ultra-wide, and the 2-megapixel camera for depth sensing. Our unit comes in Coslight Silver with a black panel design called Cosmos Carmine. It's an embossed 3D textured glass that Infinix says depicts dreamy star trails. It looks good and adds a nice texture. Although tall, the ZERO Ultra is narrow at 74.50mm and thin at 8.76mm. Add to that the curved edges on the front and back, the device is comfortable to hold. Although navigating the UI will definitely require two hands. All in all, it's an attractive smartphone with a premium look and build. Powering the ZERO Ultra is a MediaTek Dimensity 920 with an octa-core CPU, 8GB of RAM with extended RAM function up to 3GB, 256GB of storage, XOS 12 based on Android 12, and a 4500 mAh battery with support for 180-watt fast charging. It allows the battery to charge to 100% in just 12 minutes, which is very impressive. The Infinix ZERO Ultra will launch in the Philippines on October 12. So stay tuned for the price and for our full review. So that's it for our hands-on with the Infinix ZERO Ultra. What do you think about the smartphone? Tell us in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Once again, this is Andre, and I'll see you guys in the next one.